Hello, Siobhan here. This is my first hand at making foam armor. And this is cardboard. Or this. This is my first time making this kind of stuff, so I guess it's not bad. I mean, I'm not great. So, as you know, it's foam. Glued. Then painted silver. And I did the shading. So, what do you guys think? I mean, I know there's some better people out there that can, is the bomb at making this stuff. And again, this is my first attempt, so yeah, I'm kind of proud of myself. I, of course, dry brush this. Try to get the shadings I can. So, cardboards, foam, and I still gotta finish right there. This is Folken from Escaflowne's arm. My next attempt is trying to make his cords or the tubes in his arms as well. This is sorry, I'm all over the place. This is the shoulder. This is the elbow. And I have something like this that goes like that. And sorry. And I have these paper clips or whatever they're called, pins, blah, that I cut this off and I glued it on for these ones, which I'm gonna do for here. Oops. Do for here. Then paint over that. But for this one, I just kind of popped it in. Sorry. I just popped it in and I glued it down so that these two can be attached together and glued somewhat. But it's staying in place, so that's good. And then I might do a little bit more detailed stuff on it, like put some foam around here, give it more depth, and probably shade it to like this one. I use this brush to like this, kind of get it more. This is why this one's a little different from this brushing. You can kind of see it or not. Sorry, I'm always recording at night, you know. But yeah, again, this... Hello, sorry for the cutout. Anyway, this is my gloves tried on. Anyway, I glued this onto an old shirt. Oops. Sorry. And then I'm going to make something for the palms that goes around. And something right here. It's going to be too plain. And then it's done. Okay, that's it. Bye.